Unique design allows easy monitor adjustment, even in tight spaces. Easy grip adjustment knob allows you to quickly and easily adjust height, 9.4-18.5, tilt and swivel, plus or minus 10 degrees, rotate to landscape or portrait orientation, plus or minus 180 degrees, and lock your monitors in place. Quick release VESA mounts simplify monitor installation. The SmartFit system makes finding the right height for maximum comfort as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply match your hand size to the color on the provided chart, set the height to your color, and you're done. Easy, non-permanent installation includes necessary tools and a pre-installed C-clamp that faces the front of the desk, making installation much simpler, especially in tight spaces, optional grommet fastener included. C-clamp fits desks up to 3.3 inches, 85 mm thick. Grommet mount fits desks up to 1.5 inches, 40 mm thick. Compatible with sit-stand desks. A single base holds 2 monitors, freeing up valuable desk space. Perfect for home or office use, the sleek, sturdy, space-saving design complements a modern aesthetic while keeping your monitor steady and stable, supports monitors up to 27 and up to 17.6 pounds 8 kilograms. Cable management system eliminates cable clutter for a cleaner desktop. Top reviews from the United States. Low profile from wall. Awesome mount because it is low profile and works well with the Costco adjustable desk. I would recommend to anyone who had their desk against a wall. Most other mounts will make the monitors closer to you versus this one is much further away because of the arm design.